The promise of a perfect complexion delivered in a box is almost too tempting to ignore. You see these sleek red light therapy masks and LED wands pop up in your feed. They promise clinical results for a tiny fraction of the price. The brand known as Lumeviv is the latest one capturing all that attention. It looks professional and the photos are stunning, but the reality behind the screen is a lot messier than the marketing suggests. We are seeing a pattern of deep disappointment from people who actually click the buy button. The first red flag is the shipping speed. People are waiting for ages. Sometimes weeks turn into months. When the package finally arrives, it does not feel like a luxury skincare tool. Most users report getting a generic unbranded box. It looks like something you would find at a discount shop. The device inside often feels light and flimsy. It lacks the weight and build quality of a real medical grade tool. This is where the science gets tricky. Real light therapy depends on very specific wavelengths. If the light is not at the exact right frequency, it will not do anything for your collagen or your skin texture. Cheap LEDs are often just standard bulbs. They are essentially just colored lights that look pretty but offer zero health benefits. This company operates as a low-quality dropshipper. This means they are just a middleman. They buy cheap products from massive factories and sell them to you at a major markup. They do not design or manufacture these devices themselves. Because of this, their customer service is incredibly thin. If your mask arrives broken or never shows up at all, getting a human to help you is nearly impossible. You are basically throwing your money into a black hole and hoping for the best. It is a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for. A real, tested, and cleared medical device costs a lot of money for a reason. It requires engineering and safety testing. This site skips all of that. They are selling a vibe rather than a real solution. If you just want a fun toy to wear for a photo, then maybe it does not matter. But if you are actually trying to treat your skin, this is a major gamble. You are putting your trust in a company with a very low trust rating. The glowing reviews on their own site do not always match the frustrated comments found elsewhere. It is better to be skeptical. Do not let a shiny ad convince you to gamble with your hard-earned cash. Real skincare results come from proven technology. They do not come from unbranded plastic shipped from a warehouse halfway across the world. Save your money for a brand that actually answers the phone and provides a real warranty. Your skin deserves better than a cheap light show. You want something that actually works. You want a company that values your time and your health. When you see prices that look too good to be true, they usually are. Stick to the brands that have a history of quality. Do not get caught up in the hype of a flashy website that might not even be there in a year. Your face is too important for a gamble like this. Keep your standards high and your wallet closed until you see real proof of quality.